blowing like hell. If that bothers you, I guess you shouldn't do that climbing stuff right now, but I like the breeze. Keeps me cool. Not that I'm a nerd or anything, but keeps me cool, man. It's a nice tree too. This Bertha here, it's my baby. This is gonna be for Liam to climb, so we're gonna go put a high line in for her with a nice brand new friction saddle, so he can learn to climb. We will call him from now on the apprentice. Oh, poop. There we go. Now, with a tree squeezer, you don't use the flip line the same way that you normally do. Let's see here. I get this the wrong way around. Let's see here. When I cut, obviously the steel line is going to get used, no matter what. But, there we go. And there's the squeezer. It's got the zigzag on it, right? And a little saw. And then 194. Wasn't too far back. I can feel it. There we go. Getting there. Everything's good. Anything on here, that's okay. Where I go, slowly but surely. Yeah. Beautiful day, August, Friday the 13th. I'm not superstitious. Do. Now, let's see here. Come on, baby. There we go. Even better. I think he's done that before. I do believe. Do. One thing that I do with these Xeon or Zelons or whatever is I stick them in here. And then you can, you know, I'm gonna go up to the next limb. Throw it on one of these other certified. Come on. There we go. Kind of deal. Not so much that I'm not being supported, but I get moved around, eh? I don't like that too much. I like kind of having something to pull against. Anyway. There we go. And there's where we're going to stick our friction saver, probably right through here, because this is the side I want them to stay on. So where did it go? There we go. There we go. Got it right in the crutchy poo there. Awesome, dude. That is what I'm looking for right there. There we go. Just see if there's anything sharp in here. Nope. Nice and clean. Good deal. Nothing sharp. Okay. Now, make sure that's where I want it. Here. And just jump that a bit. That's what we want, man. Keep our boy safe. This. Rid of the tail. Just not flopping around there. Get into anything. Any issues? There we go. That's looking pretty good. Okay. Let's get out of this tree. Junk in here. There we go. I'm gonna get any branches up the bum. Perfect. Perfection. Take my harness off and clean up. Alright, we're recording. We're gonna go up that tree right there. I'm gonna use this flip line right here. It's gonna be cool. There's stuff right away. Ooh, that's not good. I'm gonna do that one up. Come on, let go. Stupid stuff. I have to edit that out. Steven Seagal show here. Jesus, what a dummy. Okay, now I need a pulley because I do not like spurring my line. That's one of the things that makes me say bad words. Pardon me. But I had to spit. And there was no spitteroon. I thought I was alone, but I wasn't. Apparently I wasn't alone. Now, saw. Throw that on there. It's got this funny little thing on here. It's just the absolute worst to get open. Fix that still. It's a ginormous bum pain. Makes me mental. Something, nothing, nothing. These little nubbies I should get off, but I don't like them that much. If I was cutting on my own tree, of course, I'd have my flip line on, but if you're that much of a spaz, well, probably put your own eye out with your toothbrush. Give me a back scratch. It's so windy. Oh no. Why did my chainsaw get so heavy? God damn. Right now you're going. Stupid thing. It's good. Yeah, it's good, mama. You think you're tough until you get down and then shit. It's like, whoa. The body goes, pardon me. I do believe that you need to have a little word. Me and my friend here, Old Age and Pain, have been talking with the body and we've decided that we're going to take over for a short time. Just to teach you, you know, a little lesson. Ooh. Hey man, the tree's moving. What the hell? I get to climb the poopy tree, of course. Hey man, get the hell back up there. What kind of lifeline are you? I think I'll throw my flip line up here. Ooh, that bonked me on the noodle. The noise of it. How rude. We're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good there, NASA. That wasn't a very good snap cut, was it? Oh well. Never said I was an artist. Visor's down for that sucker. You're a dentist. Buy shears and flip lines with big heavy clips on them. Always goes like a bullet. That's why when a limb falls, they hurt people because they spear you right in the head. Ow, Mom, my head. Hey, let go. What are we doing? There's 900 feet of rope underneath me. Come on, dude. I'm heavy. Got all kinds of stuff going on here right now, but soon it will all make sense. And then you can tell me what I'm supposed to do next. Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing sometimes. Oh, let's drop it. Let's drop it on the ground. That would be fun, wouldn't it? I'm leaning on this branch, and this branch feels like just a piece of junk. You know? The wind's blowing, and I got my visor down. The leaves are trying to screw me up. Like that. You stupid branch. Stupid branch. There we go. And try to make a habit of taking my spurs off right away. Because I have gone to walk out over brush piles like this and spurred myself in the calf. The clogger pants took it, but Did leave a nasty mark. Just my runway model days are over. Thank you very much, Mr. Spur. Oh, poop. Okay. This will be a new experience getting these off of this.